Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Zinetti International Dan Dan Noodles. So, authentic Szechuan taste. So, these are generally spicy, but I don't know if it's going to be really spicy, so we'll do a quick taste test. You can get these at COSTCO, so this was on sale. Here we go, noodles. Here's the durum wheat, so it does have wheat. There's onions. Yeah, so there's the nutrient panel. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like one of those microwavable meals. It is actually pretty hefty in weight, though. Like if I'm holding it, this is dense. So, all right, let's cook it up, and I'll be right back. The Dan Dan noodles all done. So let's open this up. All right, so this is the Dan Dan noodles. Now, if you guys haven't had this, this is the Chinese pickled cabbage stuff. Because I can smell it from here, and there we go. Let me try this. It didn't have a lot of taste there. I'll try it again. Yep, it is. But it's kind of like it's got a little kick to it. Spicy. So here's the noodles underneath. You're gonna mix it up a bit. So get a good taste of it. It is hot, steaming. You guys see that? So, okay, let's try this out now. It's got a lot of flavor, but the veggies and stuff like that turn out kind of soggy, so it doesn't have a nice crunch to it. But otherwise, it's pretty good. But it is spicy. It does have a kick to it, so be aware of that. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.